Assalamu alaikum, dear friends and colleagues. In this video, I will explain how to use your air conditioner remote control. This remote is also fully compatible with many models of air conditioners such as Vestel, Hyundai, General Electric, Regal, Blue Star, Sarcool, Seikon, Tayfun, HT, and Wagner. This is the on-off button, and with its help we can turn the air conditioner on and off. We use the mode button to change the operation modes of the air conditioner. This remote has 5 main modes: cooling, heating, fan, drying, and auto. Most people use the air conditioner for cooling purposes. For this reason, we will start the explanation with this mode. We press the mode button. When the word cool and the snowflake symbol appear on the screen, the AC is in cooling mode. In this mode, it is recommended to keep the temperature between 22 to 24 degrees Celsius, 72 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. You can increase the temperature with the up button and decrease it with the down button. If you want to save electricity, set the temperature above 24 degrees Celsius, 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Setting the temperature below 22 degrees Celsius, 72 degrees Fahrenheit is not recommended as it may cause illness. We use the fan button to change the fan speed of the AC. This AC has 4 fan speeds: low, medium, high, and auto. You can select the low speed if the fan noise bothers you in the bedroom. As the speed increases, the cooling power and airflow of the AC also increase. Press the mode button again to switch to heating mode. The word heat and the sun symbol appear on the screen. This is the heating mode. In heating mode, you should set the temperature above 26 degrees Celsius or 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Setting the fan speed to auto fan speed mode in heating mode helps the device work more efficiently, because in this case, the fan speed will be automatically regulated by the internal microprocessor. Frosting of the outdoor unit usually occurs when the temperature approaches 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Additionally, it may take 20 to 40 minutes for the AC to reach its nominal power in heating mode, depending on the air temperature. Pressing the mode button one more, we switch to fan mode. In this mode, the AC works like a regular fan. We press the mode button again and we see the water drop on the screen. This is the dry mode designed to reduce the humidity in the room. Press the mode button one more to switch to auto mode. In auto mode, the AC tries to keep the temperature constantly around 24 degrees Celsius, 75 degrees Fahrenheit. If the room temperature falls below this level, the AC decides to heat. If it rises above, it decides to cool. Press the mode button to return to cooling mode. The swing button is used to move the AC levers up and down or to stop them in any position. To set the AC clock, press the clock button. When the clock starts flashing, set the time with the temperature buttons and confirm with the set button. Correct clock setting is very important for the timer to work accurately. When the turbo button is pressed, the AC works at the highest speed, providing intensive cooling and returns to the previous fan mode after 15 minutes. To exit this mode, you need to press the same button. This is the I feel button with the person icon. When this function is activated, the device releases on the temperature at the remote location instead of its own. When the ion button is pressed, if the AC has an ionizer, it releases negative ions, making it easier for us to breathe. This AC has two timer modes, timer on and timer off. Timer on is for starting the AC at your desired time, and timer off is for programming it to turn off. For example, we want the AC to turn on at 6 p.m. To do this, press the timer button once, set the time and confirm with the set button. To cancel, just press the off button. Similarly, you can set the AC to turn off at, for example, 4 a.m. using timer off. You press twice the timer button, and after setting, you press set button to confirm. To exit this mode, you need to press the off button. Thank you for watching us until the end.